This 5-minute solution will show you how to take low resolution photos with iPhone. So if you simply click photos using your iPhone, you will get high resolution photos by default, and iPhone doesn't provide any built-in feature to take low resolution photos with iPhone or iPad. So you can capture a photo, and after capturing the photo you can reduce the photo size. Just follow these easy steps to reduce a photo size without any third-party application. So first of all, open Photos app and open the photo you just captured. And now tap on the share icon. And here, tap on Save to Files. And select a folder to save the photo. Tap on Save. And now go to your Files app and go to the folder where you just saved the photo. Here we can see. All you have to need, just tap and hold the photo and tap on Quick Actions. Now tap on Convert Image and select a file format. I'm selecting here JPEG, and in this image size field you have to select small, and then the photo will be compressed or reduced. As you can see, before compressing the image, the file size was 892 kilobyte, and after reducing, current file size is only 29 kilobyte. And this is how we can easily make image size smaller after capturing a photo with iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.